Guys, I often hear complaints from beginner traders like, I don't know where to set stop loss and take profit. If I knew such levels, my trading would be much more profitable. Which is true. We have an indicator of supports and resistances that shows the nearest levels and the direction in which the price will move. So, by using such an indicator, you can determine the nearest take profit levels and the nearest stop loss level. And accordingly, using the formula where the stop loss should be half the size of the take profit, we can determine the nearest targets for our trading and orders to minimize losses. Previously, I already made a video about the support and resistance indicator, and today I want to record another one. This is a completely different indicator, which will also be very useful in your daily trading activities. Let's go to my platform. I'll show you everything now. Guys, this is how this indicator looks on the price chart. It places the support and resistance levels right above the quotes. And also, most importantly, it displays, here we have a label, which time frame this resistance or support level belongs to. For example, if it's a weekly time frame where this support emerged, it indicates that it's W, meaning it's a weekly time frame. Why is this necessary? The older the time frame, the stronger the support will be. Well, in general, look, if we are trading to sell on this price chart, for example, then we should place the take profit here at this level because it's the closest level to our trade where we can place a take profit. The price will almost certainly reach this point. As for the stop loss, we will place it beyond this level. In any case, the stop loss should always be placed according to the formula, that the size of the stop loss must be at least 2 times smaller than the size of the take profit. So, a very simple indicator that makes our trading much clearer for ourselves because we see our nearest targets. Regarding, for example, if we were trading on a buy, from here on a buy, yes, we have an uptrend. Then we would place the take profit level here and the stop loss somewhere below. This support level. But in any case, as I mentioned earlier, we must use the formula for the stop loss. It should be 2 times smaller than the take profit. Guys, download this indicator for free in the description of this video. Try it, test it, earn money.